Hello everyone. So in this video we will be making some high protein burritos. The high protein burritos that I will be making are going to have a base of black beans and rice, and they will be wrapped in these whole grain wraps, and also we'll be having some standard salad to go in the burrito, and we will be having a small avocado spread. I'll be making a spread using mashed avocados, mayo and lime juice. So let's start. So for the black bean base, I'll be going in with some standard Indian spices, onions and tomatoes, and 2 cans of black beans. The first spice after the oil, as always, is going to be a healthy amount of hing. So now our onions have started to soften. So now I'll add the spices. So let's go with the spices. First that we go with is going to be jeera or cumin seeds. So now I'll be going in with a few very spicy red chilies which have been finely chopped. And now the goal is to basically get the onions as soft as possible. Now I'll be adding ginger garlic paste. Now I'll be going in with 1 can of tomato paste. So now the goal is to evaporate water from the paste, and then I'll be adding the beans. Now I will be adding a small amount of coriander powder. I'm going to add the whole packet here. So now, as you all can see, a lot of the water has evaporated. So now I'll be going in with the black beans, 2 cans of a pre-cooked black beans. Now the black bean base is completely ready. I will have it on a low flame on the side, and now I'll be showing you all how to make the rice. So I have some oil in the pan, and I'll be adding mustard seeds. Now I will be adding 1/4 cup of cashews which have been bashed up, frozen peas, a small amount of cumin seeds, healthy amount of turmeric, a few spicy red chilies. All the spices have been cooked, and now I'll be going in with the rice. The beans and rice are done, and now we'll be showing you how to make a spread with these avocados. So what we are doing here is we have a small amount of lime juice, we have some mayo, and then we are going to add 2 avocados to the mix, and we are going to mash everything up. So now we'll be adding some black pepper to this mix. The avocados have been mixed in, and now this is what we get. This is going to be the base spread on the burrito. So now everything is ready, and we start to assemble the burritos. But before that, I'll show you the salad that's going to go in. So these are some icebergs that have been washed and cleaned. These are some basic red peppers which have been roasted in oil with salt and pepper. And this is a broccoli which has been steamed and salted. We have to bake the burritos. So for that, we've taken one aluminium dish which has aluminium foil on it, and we have taken earthenware tray which also has foil lined all over it, and we have basically taken some oil. So there is a layer of oil on the foil, so our final product is not going to stick. So now I will be showing you all how to assemble the burritos. So the first thing always is going to be the avocado base. Some black pepper, and then I'll be using the iceberg lettuce to make a base. And after this, I'll be going in with the beans and the rice. Now the beans. Now I'll be using the peppers, a small amount, and now the broccoli, and now I'll be using some more iceberg, and then I will be sealing everything up like this. Okay, and this is basically gonna go into the tray like this. And I know in this one I have too much filling, but it's okay. these have been assembled, and now I am just going to brush a small amount of oil onto them because I want to have a small char on them as they bake. And we have space only for only 5 burritos, so the 6th burrito is going to be baked alone. So basically we have a small oven with us in our kitchen, and we have preheated it to 230. Yeah, so now all the 5 burritos are going to go in for about 15 to 20 minutes. The first batch of burritos is ready, and now we'll be having a quick taste. So now I have taken it out onto the plate, and now I'll be removing the toothpicks. And now, so as you all can see, it's still oozing out steam and all the flavors have mixed in. So now I'll be having a quick taste. It's good. Basically, the black bean sauce, even that was spicy, but the rice is basically absorbing all the spice. So overall it's really mild. Even all the Europeans watching this video can really enjoy these kind of things. It's not too spicy. So yeah, it's good. So give the video a like. If you have any feedback, if you want me to improvise on any specific part, if you want to suggest a video, a topic for a video, use the comment section to your heart's content. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Guys, just a quick update. I have finished more than half of this burrito, and this is really amazing. I mean, the iceberg has been completely cooked through. The rice and beans got mixed together in the oven, and yeah, it's just amazing, and you should make this at home. Bye.